Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we're diving deep into SoundHound AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 24th of July, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 30th of June, 2025, our system has identified SoundHound AI as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.01. Let's examine the stock's performance over this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 11.46% since we first categorized SoundHound AI as a buy candidate 18 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.64% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 20.57% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 2.08% and 36.93%. When we examine the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of around 29.27%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 2.43% to positive 200.73% over the coming year. In today's terms, this would translate to a future price somewhere between $11.67 and $35.97. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI features the headline: a decline on Thursday for SoundHound AI Inc. stock after losing 1.97%. The SoundHound AI Inc. stock price decreased by 1.97% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 24th of July, 2025, dropping from $12.20 to $11.96. During this trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 5.51%, ranging from a low of $11.80 to a high of $12.45. The stock has fallen in 6 out of the last 10 days and is down by 2.69% over this period. Volume increased on the last day by 12 million shares, even as prices fell. This could serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 47 million shares changed hands for approximately $561,360,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $24.98, while the lowest price was $3.94. Currently, the stock price is 52.12%, or $13.02, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI, trading under the symbol SOUN, has recently garnered attention due to a strategic partnership with Avant Communications. This collaboration aims to enhance the adoption of SoundHound's AI agent platforms within enterprise markets, potentially expanding their presence in voice AI technology. In the short term, this partnership may lead to an increase in demand for SoundHound's services, positively impacting investor sentiment and possibly driving the stock price upward. However, the company's stock has encountered difficulties, having recently dropped more than 8% in a single day, indicative of some market skepticism amidst broader gains. Despite this volatility, optimistic forecasts suggest that SoundHound may experience a rebound in the latter half of 2025, particularly as the demand for AI solutions grows. The forthcoming second quarter earnings report on August 7th could significantly influence investor confidence. Positive financial results could create the momentum needed to reverse current trends, showcasing the company's growth potential. Over the long term, SoundHound's ability to maintain growth largely depends on its innovation and execution. While the company's performance has been mixed this year, with a notable decline in stock value compared to last year's remarkable gains, the long-term outlook remains encouraging, fueled by increasing investments in AI and voice technologies. As the technology landscape continues to evolve, SoundHound's adaptability will be crucial to its success and stock performance. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned SOUN a neutral grade accompanied by a downgrade action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN an underperform grade with a hold action. On the same day, Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a buy grade alongside a hold action. Again, on Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright gave SOUN a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have given SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have assigned the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 9th of July, 2025, and so far, it has fallen by 7.29%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Yesterday, volume increased as prices fell, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Some positive signals have also emerged, which may influence short-term developments. The stock of SoundHound AI Inc. currently holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, a general buy signal exists for the stock, presenting a positive outlook. In the event of further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $12.06. Conversely, should the stock decline, it will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $10.75. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 12 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity from 16 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 3 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal from 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 17 days ago. Upon examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average generated a buy signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 19 days ago. Again, the relationship between the short and long moving averages yielded a buy signal 17 days ago. For further signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $11.12 and $11.01. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, SoundHound AI Incorporated finds support just below today's level at $11.12. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $11.01 and $9.47. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, reflecting high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 650 cents between its high and low, or 5.51%. For the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 8.23%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio reflects a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative 0.06. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $12.29. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI faces its first support level at $11.12. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Michael Zagorsek, who bought and sold 193,573 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 43.113. Overall, insiders purchased 2,620,990 shares and sold 6,925,147 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $11.46, reflecting a decrease of 4.19%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which presents a high level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 11 days ago. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? Several indicators point to negative trends, which we believe will influence the stock's performance over the coming days and potentially weeks. Nonetheless, we see today's price level as a potential buying opportunity, with expectations that it will rise during or by the end of this 3-month period. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 25th of July, we anticipate that SoundHound AI will open higher by 11 cents, starting at $12.07. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. You should not base your investment choices solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.